A severe febrile disease of sheep and goats presenting immediately after parturition with mastitis, arthritis, and conjunctivitis is most commonly caused by Mycoplasma agalactiae, Mycoplasma gallisepticum, Mycoplasma synovi, Pastorella multocida. And the correct answer is option A, that is Mycoplasma agalactiae. Human infection acquired through exposure to cetacean birds and presenting with atypical pneumonia is termed ornithosis, psittacosis, Q fever, avian influenza. And the correct answer is option B, that is psittacosis. Rocky Mountain spotted fever, a tick-borne zoonotic disease characterized by fever, vasculitis, and petechial rash, is etiologically associated with which organism? Rickettsia prowazekii, Rickettsia rickettsii, Coxiella burnetii, Anaplasma marginale. And the correct answer is option B, that is Rickettsia rickettsii. A necrotizing oral and laryngeal infection, calf diphtheria, in young cattle is caused by a non-spore forming gram-negative anaerobe identified as Actinomyces bovis, Truperella pyogenes, Fusobacterium necrophorum, Clostridium chovi. And the correct answer is option C, that is Fusobacterium necrophorum. The preferred antimicrobial agent for treating Campylobacter infections in veterinary practice based on classical susceptibility patterns is penicillin G, tetracycline, dihydrostreptomycin, sulfamethoxazole. And the correct answer is option C, that is dihydrostreptomycin. The intermittent or wave-like febrile pattern classically associated with human brucellosis is termed relapsing fever, undulant fever, Q fever, typhoid fever. And the correct answer is option B, that is undulant fever. A tick-borne septicemic disease of poultry characterized by spirochetemia and transmitted by Argus ticks is caused by Borrelia burgdorferi, Borrelia enserina, Treponema gallinara, Leptospira interrogans. And the correct answer is option B, that is Borrelia enserina. Q fever, a zoonotic febrile illness in humans characterized by atypical pneumonia and transmitted mainly via inhalation of contaminated aerosols, is caused by Rickettsia rickettsii, Chlamydia psittaci, Coxiella burnetii, Brucella melitensis. And the correct answer is option C, that is Coxiella burnetii. Epidemic typhus, a louse-borne disease characterized by high fever, rash, and severe vasculitis, is characterized by which rickettsial organism? Rickettsia rickettsii, Rickettsia typhi, Orientia satsugamushi, Rickettsia provasicae. And the correct answer is option D, that is Rickettsia provasicae. In rickettsial infections, which cellular tropism is characteristic of members of the family Anaplasmataceae and helps differentiate them from other intracellular bacteria? Neutrophils, endothelial cells, erythrocytes, hepatocytes. And the correct answer is option C, that is erythrocytes. The widespread vasculitis seen in rickettsial infections is explained by the organism's ability to infect which host cell population? Macrophages, leukocytes, endothelial cells, all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. Which biological characteristic most reliably differentiates members of the order Rickettsia from conventional bacteria and chlamydials in their natural transmission cycle? Obligate intracellular replication, lack of peptidoglycan cell wall, energy parasitism from host ATP, requirement of an invertebrate vector. And the correct answer is option D, that is requirement of an invertebrate vector. The characteristic fried egg appearance of Mycoplasma colonies on specialized media is primarily due to surface pigmentation of colonies, central penetration into the agar, rapid peripheral swarming growth, capsular polysaccharide production. And the correct answer is option B, that is central penetration into the agar. The etiological agent responsible for contagious bovine pleuropneumonia, a transboundary disease of cattle, is Mycoplasma bovis, Mycoplasma mycoides, subspecies mycoides, Pasteurella multocida, Menemia hemolytica. And the correct answer is option B, that is Mycoplasma mycoides, subspecies mycoides. Contagious caprine pleuropneumonia, a highly contagious respiratory disease of goats characterized by fibrinous pleuropneumonia, is caused by which Mycoplasma species? Mycoplasma capricolum, subspecies capri pneumoniae, Mycoplasma mycoides, subspecies mycoides, Mycoplasma agalacti, Mycoplasma bovis. And the correct answer is option A, that is Mycoplasma capricolum, subspecies Capri-pneumoniae. CRD, a slowly spreading respiratory disease in chickens characterized by air cyclitis and reduced production, is most commonly caused by Mycoplasma synovi, Mycoplasma gallisepticum, Avibacterium paragallinarum, or Nithobacterium rhinotracheae. And the correct answer is option B, that is Mycoplasma gallisepticum. Infectious sinusitis, a respiratory condition in turkeys characterized by infraorbital sinus swelling and serous to caseous exudate, is most commonly associated with infection by Mycoplasma synovi, Mycoplasma gallisepticum, Avibacterium paragallinarum, or Nithobacterium rhinotracheae. And the correct answer is option B, that is Mycoplasma gallisepticum. The principal mode of transmission responsible for rapid heart-to-heart spread of contagious bovine pleuropneumonia is fomites, aerosols, ingestion, arthropod vectors. And the correct answer is option B, that is aerosols. Persistence of chronic respiratory disease in poultry flocks is best explained by which dual transmission pattern of Mycoplasma gallisepticum? Fecal oral and fomite transmission, vector-borne and contact transmission, vertical and aerosol transmission, venereal and transplacental transmission. And the correct answer is option C, that is vertical and aerosol transmission. Human infection resulting from exposure to non-cetacean avian species is correctly termed psittacosis, ornithosis, Q fever, avian tuberculosis. And the correct answer is option B, that is ornithosis.